I have a dream. Being born to a beautician, I have always looked up to my mother. The brushes in her hand looked like magic wands to me. I could see the magic spells she would pull on her clients. I would admire how she would transform and enhance their beauty. I always wanted those spells in my hand. I was always so passionate about enhancing the beauty of people that at the age of 14 I took hold of the magic wands, the brushes, and started playing with colors. This is when I realized I have started materializing my biggest dream. Just because people wouldn't trust a 14 years old with their makeup for their big day, I thought the problem was with me, which made me work harder and polish my skills. It was still the day a client came in and asked to get her makeup done by me. That's when I felt like I had achieved my first milestone. This journey hasn't been easy, but the appreciation and respect that I earned has kept me going. But, 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 I still am standing where I have dreamt to stand. The dream is to become a globally recognized makeup artist. Today, I am a locally known artist. I own my own cosmetic line but want to make it bigger and better. I want to make it to the list of world's finest makeup artists. I dream of seeing my name at the top of that list. I'm still hustling, and I'll keep hustling till I make it to where I want to be. This hasn't been an easy journey, but the dream I have is worth every bit of pain I have taken to materialize it.